Today we're introducing our brand new vehicle integration solution. It's our bonnet mount kit specifically designed to work with our Glide LED light bars. On most electric vehicles, and especially the Kia EV9, we had to think differently due to the lack of a traditional grille. We couldn't mount above the license plate because we've got this camera here, and mounting below the license plate just wouldn't work for us. So we had to think differently. The answer was a completely non-destructive, clean mounting solution that sits on the bonnet edge. It means no drilling, no cutting, and no modification to the vehicle itself. We think the Kia EV9 looks sleek with our new solution, but we'd love to know what vehicle you want to see this kit on next. Leave a comment down below. The best light for a curved edge of a modern vehicle is Glide. The shape follows the natural contours of modern vehicles like the EV9, so the whole setup looks much more integrated, almost OEM. Much like the install, the wiring is kept really simple as well. Everything works with our canny contactless reader, meaning there's no need to cut into the vehicle's wiring, giving you a clean install from start to finish. And once it's installed, everything can be controlled through the Lazer Canny app. Now, in terms of performance, Glide gives you a really powerful long-distance beam, and that's combined with the wide reflectors, giving you an even spread of light throughout your field of vision. So it's great for rural roads and for highways as well. Not only that, it's double E-marked, meaning you can keep it legal on roads all across Europe. So no doubt, one of the big questions people are going to have is how is this solution mounted to the front bonnet lip of an electric vehicle? We're using high-strength VHB adhesive, the same type of materials widely used in automotive applications. It's incredibly secure. We've tested it under load, in harsh conditions. It holds exactly as you'd expect. And to keep things clean, the cable is fully concealed within the mount. And with the right tools, this kit can be easily removed from your bonnet, leaving no marks whatsoever. The Lazer Bonnet Mount Kit, the latest innovation for mounting auxiliary LED lighting to your EV.